In this last slide, I want you to check whether you can answer these 3 questions. If you are able to answer them, that means you should have met the objectives of this presentation. If not, please go back and watch the videos or read more about the topic from other sources or discuss it with your peers or write to me. How do we appraise the validity of harm evidence? What are the methods of appraising? Important here was the bias. What is the hazard ratio and how is it interpreted? You should be able to tell what the hazard ratio is and also be aware that its interpretation is very similar to what we call the odds ratio or the relative risk. Then explain the significance of confounding factors. What is a confounder and how we can control for confounders? How we can control for confounders in randomized controlled studies, how it is in the cohort studies or case control studies. That was for today. That's all for today. I hope you benefit from this presentation, and I wish to welcome you in some other presentations. Take care. Bye-bye.